Hi guys, it is Carrie Lunke from Secondhand Salvage. I am your real life crafter, and there was so much buzz around our cute little gnome that we made earlier that someone requested that I do a demo as well with our mop bearded gnome. How cute is he? So that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? Let me put my guys to the side for right now. I'm starting to become addicted. Aren't they cute? We'll just leave him kind of hanging out here somewhere by us, right? My friends. Okay, so guys, if you did not catch the first video, I'll do a quick run through, show you how to do it, and then we'll do it with the mop beard. All of these products are available at your local dollar store. So you're going to need a mop top, mismatched lost sock, a decorative sock, pushy and soft. You're going to need some miniature rubber bands that you can get in the hair department. And we're going to need some rice. All right, let's get started. So I have my red Solo cup to make life easy. And we're going to do a two-part gnome. So I'm going to actually use this ugly sock of my husband's that was in our mismatched bin. And I'm going to cut it right across where the heel would be. Okay? Now I'm going to take it and put it inside my cup, stretching the top, oops, around the cup, just like that. And you're going to need to hold it because once you start putting your rice in, it'll want to slouch over. Okay, so let's begin. I like my gnomes super fat, like Santa's. Okay guys, you need to shake it down. Once you've got that mostly filled and weighted down, you're going to lift it out, because we're going to want a big gnome. I like making different size ones. You can roll it down, and we're going to continue to fill it with rice. And here's another super easy trick. If you take the top, if you have a long enough sock, you can put it over your jar or your bag, and then no mess. And of course, we're going to need a second jar because this just isn't big enough for me. How cute. You want to make sure he's going to be able to stand by himself. I decided to do the white sock one so I can show you how to make his cute little nose. We're going to get a little messy here. Just going to keep filling. Woo! Okay. I think that'll make a good gnome body. All right. I'm going to put our rice to the side. Okay, guys. Now this is so easy. So we want to get the shape of our gnome. So I'm going to take one rubber band and we're going to put it at the top of our sock. Don't worry, we're going to hide all of this. And we're going to take another one and we're going to put it around our gnome's waist to give him some shape. Kind of like a snowman needs shape. A gnome needs some shape. How cute is he? Think about snowmen for this too. How adorable is that? Okay guys, so there we go. So now I know that I'm going to be using my mop to make this one. So I'm going to take another little rubber band and I'm going to squeeze a little section out of the top, just like that. And wrap the rubber band around it, guys, and that's going to be our nose. How cute is that little guy? All right. Well, now you always have to worry about your rubber band rotting. So I like to use twine or string to tie around them, or a little piece of wire. It keeps everything from breaking off and you having rice everywhere. So just reinforce this with twine. How cute is he? He's coming along. All right, guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to plug in my glue gun. All right. So now I'm just going to grab a section of my mop. So here's something to keep in mind. You're going to separate all of this. So you don't need as much as you would think. And we're just going to cut that off. So easy. And I love it because it's already got that gray color. We're going to take another one of our rubber bands. Aren't these so handy to have? And we're going to wrap it around the top of our mop section. Kind of reminds me of those shaggy dogs that you see on the dog shows. Okay, once we have that wrapped up there, how cute is that? Grab another rubber band. And now we are going to tie this to our gnome. It's going to cover his nose, guys, all right? Don't worry, we've got it all worked out. We're going to wrap that twice, and we're going to make sure that's nice and tight because now we're going to separate our little pieces. Literally, guys, it's just twisting backwards and pulling apart, which is going to give him a curly, kind of tangled beard, mustache kind of thing. So you're just going to work through all of those. This is a fun activity that you could do with kids. If you're a teacher, think about a cute gift for them to take home to their parents this holiday season. You don't want to pull too hard because you will pull your hair out of the little scrunchie. But we're just going to continue unwrapping these. I like these fun and inexpensive ideas, so if you have a Christmas party, it gives the kids something to do, it's inexpensive. What a cute little gift to give to someone. You never want to go to a holiday party empty-handed, so a little celebratory gnome is super cute. And we're going to dress him up so he's not going to look so dingy in that old dirty sock. Finally, I can find something productive to do with all the socks that the sock monster ate. Or you can get really cute ones at your local dollar store, and they are so adorable and so easy to use. So I make him and I get him all ready before we dress him up. How cute is this? 7 minutes in, guys, and he's already got personality, and we're almost done. So cute. This is probably the longest part, is to separate all of this hair. And I even have my finger cover so I don't burn myself with a hot glue gun. I got these and I always forget to use them until I burn myself. Alright guys, so we're working our way around, so that's pretty good. So you're going to see that you have your hair here and it's separated. How cute is that, right? So we want to actually bring it around his nose so his nose sticks out, and we're just going to take two little sections of hair underneath, right? And we're going to tie them in a knot underneath the nose. And the reason we're going to do that is it's going to hold the hair down around his nose so it trims his face. Okay? How cute is he? He is coming together, guys, coming to life right before your eyes. Now this is where I said grab that makeup. You can use the actual makeup you use, or just grab a cute natural palette from your local inexpensive store, and then we're going to actually just color his nose in, guys. We're going to make him blush. Give him a little bit of a human aspect. So you want to mix some pinks and some cream colors in there so that actually kind of looks skin tone on him, like his nose has been bitten by the frost. How sweet is he? Alright guys, so I have taken socks like this and cut them apart, and that's what I've made for the hat on this gnome. And then I used the reverse color sock to make the body on this one. So you see how we're using everything, guys? So I thought it would be cute to give him a cute little body out of this. So we're going to take the sock, again we're going to cut straight across, guys, just where that heel point is. And this one's just aesthetic. So the other one we filled with this one we're just going to do to kind of cover his bottom and make him look cute. So we'll just wrap that around the bottom and slide it up over that bottom section. How cute is he? Alright, so now you can see what's going on in the back. He has his little outfit on. We've got his nose in the front, so now it's time to do his hat. And I thought with this one, because earlier we did the Poom hat, it's all filled in and puffy, that we would do a slouchy hat, more like you see on this little guy. How cute is that, with a little bell and some ribbon? And guys, this is a beer koozie that I used on the bottom of this one. No lie, I salvage everything. Okay, so let's get ready. So we're gonna use this to make a slouchy hat. How cute is it? It's already kind of got the slouch to it. And let's see how I wanna do this. I'm thinking I want to use some of the black too, so then it kind of looks like he has a rim, because I'm afraid if we do this, it's all gonna blend. Well, let's check it out and see. So I'm not gonna fill this, guys, because I want it slouchy. So I'm gonna stretch it out the best that I can. I'm gonna roll the bottom, and I'm gonna start, guys, by gluing right where the rubber band is, okay? Because we don't want our Scandinavian gnome to have any eyes. I'm hoping I don't run out of super glue here, or I mean hot glue. I was worried about that, and I couldn't find my other glue sticks. Ooh, this is where you gotta watch so you don't burn your finger. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute is he? All right, and we're gonna tuck all that yucky sock back in there so you don't see it. We're gonna bring the back around so you can see what's going on. Let me bring him around and fluff him up so you can see what we're doing. How cute is he? And then you can just trim the hat. All you're doing is putting all that stuff in there, guys, and we're gonna bring that around the back there, and we can actually take some hot glue again, working all that little bit out of there that I can get, and put that on there because we want him to stand up straight. So we were talking about giving him body. So if he's too slouchy for you, here's another trick, guys. So easy. Just take another rubber band and wrap around his waist like a belt so he stays more firm and more upright. And you can always take a pretty ribbon or something and decorate around it if you want to, but that's just going to cause him to stand upright in the back, okay? Oh, guys, look how cute he is, and his little nose, and then you can mess with his fur and get it just right. And we have a slouchy hat, and I think that he would just look adorable with like a ribbon or something on the top. Let's take a little raffia here, and I'm going to take some wire. I'm literally just grabbing scraps off of my craft floor, and I'm going to go through the top of his hat with this little piece of crafting wire, again, that you can get at your local store, and twist this around a little bit, and then tuck it because we don't want anybody to get poked with it. Oh my goodness, guys. Isn't he a sweetie? We're gonna have to have a battle of the gnomes, guys. Look how cute he is. Check him out. So adorable, right? And then here's the background. Just think of like getting some socks that have like little snowflakes on them, and you can play with his hat and decorate it any way you want and put like a bell on it. Here is his gnome brother, and his nose is still pale. It looks like he needs to get a little sun kiss too. Here's the one we made earlier with the fuzz, the fur, and this one here, guys, right? How cute. All right, guys, well, as always, thank you for tuning in and sharing your time with me. In a world where you can be anything, guys, be kind and leave the world a better place than you found it. Thank you. Have a great day.